The bear market has battered OGN protocol all the way from an $800+ million market cap project to a very insignificant $88 million market cap project. So really, Origin Protocol is now a small cap. It's very much a low cap gem, lots of volatility, high risk, and potentially very high reward. So we're going to look at basically this project today on this channel because we are getting a nice pump on this time frame. We're 8% up on the day. Are we effectively looking at a good entry level for Origin Protocol now? Also, we can see Bitcoin on this 4-hour time frame. I'm going to flip to the 2. We are potentially putting through a nice double bottom reversal pattern. So we could see a $23,000 Bitcoin very soon. Of course, it's going to be a resistance at the neckline, but we could also see continuation to the upside, which would result in a pump, maybe leading us to about the $25,000 level. So let's have a little look today at OGN. What's going on with this project? Trading at 0.22 cents right now. Origin Protocol is looking kind of tasty. It's looking a bit tempting, looking quite undervalued as well. You can see we're at the bottom portion of this Bollinger Bands position, so we're just going to remove that for now. And from the very beginning of November, we had the parabolic rally all the way up to this massive all-time high of $3.40. We've already corrected now quite a significant amount, so let's have a little look at the correction. Major correction of 95.7%, and even on the Fibonacci retracement, we came all the way down below the $0.83 level at the 0.786 Fibonacci range. So unfortunately, it's a macro downtrend. We're not getting anything good happen for this project right now in terms of the price structure. It's just constantly seeing lower highs. We could effectively use this one and put this over here, and that would give us a bit of a descending triangle, so we could speculate maybe we're going to get a bounce here to the upside to about $0.4 at best. But I do think there's too much selling pressure, too many macroeconomical factors in the market right now, just suppressing lots of projects. So we can also see, looking at the RSI, we're back down to these big lows. 2021 December, we've got the same RSI on the weekly, and you can see each time when the RSI is doing something like this, we can see following the position really of the oversold territory, we do begin to start seeing a rally to the upside. So are we due a pump? Do we think it could happen? We did see a nice impulse from this oversold position and also this one here. So we're questioning ourselves, are we yet to get a pump on the oversold position that we're currently in? Looking at the daily RSIs too, we're not actually looking that oversold at current present tense. It's looking good. The RSI, the momentum is back, and we're not too oversold. We were oversold here on the Terra Luna FUD position. That was written in from, of course, Terra Luna crash. Then we had the Bitcoin 200-week moving average, which occurred on the 13th of June. And to be fair, Origin Protocol held the line really nicely. We can see this is a key area of support that we do not want to lose right now, roughly about here. So this 0.17 level is really critical that we do hold this position, because we don't want to see any more potential downside activity. Now, the one thing I can see is a potential head and shoulders formation, which is effectively a bearish pattern. So we could still lose the support, retest it, and see continuation to the downside if we do form that bearish pattern, the head and shoulders. So hopefully we don't get the head and shoulders, because it is an inverse head and shoulders, as we see, if it's not our typical bullish head and shoulders pattern, which would be the reversal. So yeah, fingers crossed for this project that we're not going to get the bullish version, the bearish version, because that wouldn't look too good now. Now, interestingly, on the 4-hour time frame, this is a bit more interesting. We're actually starting to see a triple bottom play out here, which is really like a double bottom reversal pattern, except we've got that extra swing low. So you see the double bottom is forming right here. We've got the neckline, and we put through another swing low. So if we do break out to the upside, we'll be looking at a significant impulse to the upside. We'll be looking at least a 30% pump, which would take us to about the $0.31 level, and that would be extremely bullish for this project. So I do hope that we're going to get this breakout to the upside. You see, last time when we had this swing high to low, we broke out all the way to 2.272 fib extension. So what could happen potentially here is at least breaking out to like the 0.618. 2.272 is not going to happen now at the 0.67, but at least coming up to some of these previous resistance levels at 0.4. Very bullish. Hopefully this project can get all the accumulation and the support that it needs to thrive and basically sustain within a bear market conditions. Crypto fear and greed index today, where we're sitting at 9. Extreme fear in the markets. Wow, so good. Extreme fear in the markets does usually present opportunities, so it makes more sense. It's more logical to be accumulating during the extreme fear phase of a bear market rather than hoarding all the crypto you can and FOMOing in the actual extreme greed phase. We're going to see here just chilling in a Bitcoin season. We're still waiting for Bitcoin to make its decisive move. As we see, we're just chilling at this 20k level. We do want to see Bitcoin do some other exciting things. Look at the logarithmic regression on the weekly time frame. We're still some way away from the green band. Could effectively still happen because we lost 200 week. This blue line, just like over here, 2020, 2018, we saw rallies following. Maybe we're going to get a rally, maybe we don't. We don't truly know what's going to happen. I still think there is space for downside movement. And, just fingers crossed we get the pump, because $15,000 is not off the cards just yet, guys. Just remember that. Before we go, we're just going to have a look at a bit of evaluation on the market. What is occurring? Market cap weekly, Ethereum down 38%, Bitcoin down 30%. We've got some layer 1 infrastructures, we've got some meme coins, we've got some financial services also down. And we can just see here, look at the prices. $218 BNB, 50 cents Cardano, XRP 32 cents, Solana 31. So guys, if you want to buy any of this crypto today, use the link down in the description below to take you to one of the best exchanges. Go give it a click, take a look, let me know what you think. And yeah, I think it's really important that we do start building a long-term investment strategy and putting that portfolio together now whilst the prices are nice and low. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to the channel, get yourself down into that Telegram in the description below, hop on over to the Discord, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and see you soon.